Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can take the long screenshot on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G or the scrolling screenshot. So let's first open something that allows us to scroll. Let's say I'm gonna open the Google app, and over here of course we can scroll through different news. Now let's take these screenshots. Of course you have two options. You can use the side button or the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Just press and release it. Or if you have the gesture enabled, then you can swipe with your palm. I'm gonna use the buttons, so just press them together at the same time. And now over here you have this button that you can press in order to keep scrolling and in order to capture more of the same page. And after you are done, simply leave it like that and it should be saved. You can also tap on the screen in order to open it. Let's say I'm gonna choose gallery. And there we go. We have our screenshots, I mean. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!